Hey people, so I hope all is well with you. Today we will be talking about Inkscape and how you can use this freeware to manipulate your SVG images. So today we will mainly be focusing on how to take an image that you found online or wherever and remove the background to make it transparent, so to speak, so you can use it in Cricut and cut it without it coming out as a big solid block. So normally if we are using Cricut we are using Design Space and we want to add an image into our library. Let's say we're using the Seven Dwarfs image. We would move it into Design Space, and you can use simple or moderately complex, of course, or complex. And normally we would have to sit here and click through each letter, yada yada yada, and clear it out, which can be extremely time consuming. And then you've got to sit there and pick through. Everything just looks super solid. So in order to combat this, we can use Inkscape. Now we are going to take that same file and we're going to drag it over into Inkscape. Here we are. Let's make it a little bigger. So I want to take this image and let's say place it on a t-shirt. I want to cut it out with my Cricut Explorer and I want to place it on my shirt. So the first thing I need to do is remove this black background because it's only going to cut as a big solid square, of course. So we make sure our image is highlighted. We go over into Path. We go to Trace Bitmap. We make sure all of the things that we want are clicked. For example, I want my image inverted, meaning I want my background to be white and I want my letters to be black. We also want to click remove the background. That will remove what is now a solid background. And we can also change our scans here. I usually don't mess with it too much unless the image, once I do the trace bitmap, if the image is not to my liking, then I'll go in and play with the scans, but that doesn't happen very often, to be honest. So we will update our image and then we will click OK. And as you can see, something happened here. So we would take our image, it processes the image right on top of your original image. So that is what's highlighted. You want to take it, you want to drag it out the way. And you want to drag this out the way. And you can tell that it worked because this is still a solid image. You see, we cannot see this box that's behind the image. But over here, we can see. So now this is a clean cut file that we can use on our Cricut Explorer. So I'm going to take this original image and I will delete it. We will come over here and I will save this image. And let's save it on the desktop so I can find it fast. And we will save it as drawing number 1 since I've already got a Planet Express ship on my home page. Okay, so we will minimize. We will exit out of that. And we'll come back over here to Design Space to make sure that everything went correctly. So we're going to upload the image, browse through our downloads. Or no, we put it on our home page, didn't we? Our desktop, not our home page, excuse me. Where is it? There it is. Now it's perfect. Let's save it. Load it onto our canvas. And there we go. An SVG image, a vector image for us to cut in our cutting machine, done in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.